Hey everybody, it's John Cruz here at Worldwide Auctioneers, inviting you to the 54th annual Labor Day auction and show right here in Auburn, Indiana, the classic car capital of the world. One of the highlights of this year's auction is this 1932 Auburn 12-cylinder Boattail Speedster. Of course, the Auburn Speedster is one of the most iconic and desirable cars of the classic era. Its elegance, its grace, its beauty, and its power all are encapsulated in what I believe is one of the greatest designs of the era. This car is coming out of a wonderful collection, long-term ownership. It has been certified by the Auburn Duesenberg Club as having its original engine, body, and chassis, and we believe it's one of just 14 authentic 12-cylinder speedsters from 1932. It achieved its senior award with the Auburn Duesenberg Club and was also displayed at the Pebble Beach Concours, the Elegance. It is clearly one of the most desirable cars you could obtain for your collection. We hope you're making plans right now. Get registered to bid, and we'll look forward to seeing you at this year's Auburn Auction.